Hello everybody, and welcome to my Amazon Echo Dot Generation 3 with clock unboxing and setup. Oh, you cute little Elizabeth, what are you doing up there? Oh, smart robot. Knows how to avoid, edges. Well, you get down, and let's look at the sides. Some nice specs. Information. More information. Front of the box again. Top of the box. Bottom of the box. Focus. Alright. Let's open it. Right up. Alright, I'm gonna pause for a moment here. Okay, gonna open the box. Alright, there's the Echo Dot in the box. Gonna take it out. Nope. Alright, it's out of the box. Out of the box. Gonna put it down. There it is. Alright. Check it out. 4 little buttons. Mute microphone button, volume button, action button, or volume buttons, mute button, mute microphones button, buttons. Pretty cool. The power in port and the auxiliary out port. Only non-proprietary port is the auxiliary out. And, yeah, looks pretty cool. The quick start guide, that's always useful. Very, very useful. Alright, there's the quick start guide. Very cool. Some safety information, I guess, in case you live in California for whatever reason. Alright, let's see what this little flap has to offer. It's the power brick, or block, or plug, or whatever. Yeah. Custom little power adapter. It honestly looks like an Apple product to me. At least where the prongs are. Pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna check and see if it fits in my current outlet setup, where I'm gonna put the Echo. But there's the empty box. And yes, it does fit, as you can see. Alright, plugging it in. Well, actually just feeding the cable up to where I'm going to plug in the Echo. Alright, there it is. Not plugged in yet, but it will be plugged in soon. Buttons are nice and clickable. Feels good. Alright, here's my phone on a tripod. Okay, gonna move that a little bit up. Dang, Club Penguin coin fell off. Alright. Alright, gonna plug it in. Plug it in. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that. That is just beautiful. Like, very beautiful of a light ring. Very, very beautiful. Right there. Alright, I guess it's getting closer and closer to finishing the boot up process. Alright. Cool.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup.
Oh,
just follow the instructions in your Alexa
saying hello
app.
using the little clock face. Or the little digital clock display. That's pretty epic. Alright, well, hopefully the camera app... Oh, the volume buttons work too. Alright, that's cool. Alright, let's see what the maximum volume is. Okay, that is way too loud. Way too friggin' loud. Alright, well, hopefully my camera app on my phone should support the, any it should support a multi-screen feature, but yeah, guess we'll see. I guess we'll have to just wait and see. Okay, as it turns out, my phone's camera app cannot do picture-in-picture. Yeah, that stinks. Alright, gonna set up Alexa. Alright, here's the review portion of the video of my Amazon Echo Dot. I've set up a couple of routines, so I'll do those now. Alexa, good night.
Good night. Sleep tight.
She sets the volume to 3 and turns on Do Not Disturb until 7 a.m. or until I say good morning, so I'll do that now. Alexa, good morning.
This device is ready for setup.
Good morning.
Just
I'll
install
start
the
app for
Alexa
you.
app and follow the
Ooh, now it's
instructions.
slowing down.
Right
Now I think
now
it's
in
ready for setup.
Millville, it's 38 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies.
Reports
Tonight's
the-
forecast has just a few clouds in the sky
Now she
with a
reports
low
the
of
weather.
31 degrees. Right now, traffic on your commute looks pretty clear.
Then the
The
traffic
fastest
to
route
the
takes
nearest
about 37
Denny's.
minutes via CR 71 and Route 46.
Then plays my flash
Jefferson,
briefing.
here's what's new. In today's CNET Tech Today update.
Today's segment is brought to you by NetSuite by Oracle, the cloud-based business management software that gives you the visibility and control you need to grow.
Exit.
NetSuite is offering their free guide, 7 Key Strategies to Grow
Good night.
Profits at net.com/CNET.
Have a good night. Sleep well.
This is CNET, and here are the stories
Alright,
that matter right
I'll just
now.
pause here
Facebook's logo
and
is getting a refresh.
yeah. Okay, and I've set up a few routines as jokes. So there's this one, which is Alexa, are you the scat man?
Ski bap up into the doo doop. I'm the scat man.
Yeah, that's pretty funny. But there's also lots of different scales available. She can also tell stupid cat jokes. Alexa, tell me a stupid cat joke.
Why did the kitties stop eating carbs? They were on the Catkins diet.
I don't understand that one. Alexa, give me a stupid cat joke.
Why did the cat in the hat step up to bat? To swing at a thing or two.
That's pretty funny. She can also make phone calls for free to and from the United States, Canada, Mexico, and the UK, last time I checked. Here, I'll try it out. Alexa, call Nintendo support.
Calling Nintendo support.
Hi, thank you for calling Nintendo. Let's connect you to a specialist quickly. Let's get started.
Para asistencia en español, oprima el
It
número 9.
works.
For Nintendo Switch, press 1.
Alexa,
For
press 1.
repair, press. If you're calling because your Joy-Con control sticks or buttons don't work when the Joy-Con are attached, please visit support.nintendo.com/Joy-Con repair to set up a service ticket. For Nintendo Switch online service or for help with your membership, press 1. For
Alexa,
Nintendo,
hang up. But yeah, you can even press the buttons by voice. And the mute microphone button works as it should, because now, when I press the action button, it don't do nothing, and if I say, Alexa, she won't respond. At all. Which is good. Very, very good. You can also control the clock display with your voice. Alexa, turn off the clock. Alexa, turn on your display. Oh. But yeah, it's pretty cool. You can also adjust the brightness of it, but I have adaptive brightness on so that it'll will change the brightness on its own to adapt to ambient light levels. And the reason why it's at its brightest is because my bedroom light is on, so that's pretty cool. But yeah. In short, I give the Echo Dot Generation 3 with digital clock a solid 4.5 out of 5 CD recordables.
I'll pick this up and check this out.
Alexa, volume 11. Alexa? Simon says, this was a very bad idea.
This was very bad idea.